Hello everyone, it's Dale here with weekly trade ideas for the week starting the 3rd of December 2018. Let's start with intraday trade ideas and let's start with the euro pound. Before you can see a 30-minute chart of the euro pound, and there is a strong support which is right there. The support level is based on the rejection setup. It's based on this strong rejection of lower prices. And as you can see, if you look at the volume profile histogram, the heaviest volumes within these rejections were accumulated right there. Those were the heaviest volumes. And I think that the strong buyers who rejected the lower prices added most of their volumes right there at this place. So when the price makes it back to this level again, I think that those buyers, those aggressive buyers who rejected the lower prices, will be defending their buying positions right there, and they'll push the price upwards from this place again. Let's go into the New Zealand dollar, US dollar, where there's another intraday trade idea which I would like to show you. There's a strong support right there, and the support is based on the volume accumulation setup right there in this rotation. Really heavy volumes got accumulated, as you can see on the profile. And exactly from this place, really strong and aggressive buying activity started. So because of this strong buying activity, I think that those volumes were volumes of strong buyers who were adding to their buying positions there, and afterwards they initiated this strong movement. So when the price makes it back to this area again, I think that those buyers will be defending their buying positions and they'll push the price upwards again. Let's go into the CL, which is futures for the crude oil, and there is another intraday strong level which I'd like to show you. In this case, it's a strong resistance zone, and the resistance zone is right there. It's based on those heavy volumes which got accumulated in this price rotation. As you can see, after this volume accumulation, strong selling activity started. This is a strong sell-off which took place after those volumes got accumulated, alright? So I think that those volumes were volumes of strong sellers who were accumulating their positions there in this sideways price action, and afterwards they initiated this strong sell-off. So when the price makes it back to this level again, I think that those sellers will be defending their selling positions and they'll push the price downwards again. There is also another confirmation of this level, and it is support becoming a resistance setup. As you can see, the price reacted to this general area in the past, which means that it was a strong support. When the price went past the support, it became a resistance. Alright, so currently it is a resistance zone, and it is another confirmation to our volume-based level, which is right there. Alright. Let's now go into the swing levels ideas, but maybe this time I better call it long-term investment ideas, because my idea this time will be on a weekly chart, and obviously stop loss and profit target will be much higher than if I were using daily charts. So anyways, my idea is on FDAX, which is futures for the index DAX, and the strong support is right there. And it is based on the volume accumulation setup. As you can see, there was a pretty strong volume accumulation right there in this rotation. There was also strong rejection of lower prices right there. This indicates strong and aggressive buyers rejecting the low prices, and afterwards, after all those volumes got accumulated, lower prices rejected, then this strong buying activity started. And because of this strong buying activity, I think that those massive volumes were volumes of strong buyers who were accumulating their buying positions there, and afterwards they pushed the price upwards. So when the price makes it back to this level again, I think that those strong buyers will be defending their buying positions and they'll push the price upwards again. There's also another confirmation of this level. It's a price action confirmation, and it is this rejection of this general area. So when the price rejected this area, it shows that it was strong resistance zone, and when the price went past this area, it became strong support zone. So not only we have volume set up there, but also we have the price action set up there, which confirms the volume based level which we have there. All right, so those were the new trade ideas which I wanted to show you today, and let's now have a look at the small recap of the trade ideas that I published the previous week. So let's go into the 30-minute charts again, because there were 3 intraday trades based on the trade ideas I published last week. So let's get to it and let's have a look at the New Zealand dollar US dollar. So this is the New Zealand dollar US dollar 30-minute chart. We had a short level there. It was based on those volumes accumulated before the start of this strong sell-off. As you can see, the reaction was a very strong one, pretty precise. So I hope you guys took a trade there. It was a very nice short. Another intraday trade based on the trade ideas I published last week was on the ES, which is futures for the Standard & Poor's index. And this trade was based on those heavy volumes accumulated in this area. This was the short level, and this was the reaction. Again, this was a very nice trade. So this was the second winner based on the trade ideas from the last week. And finally, let's go to the last intraday trade, which was on the Australian dollar Japanese yen. This trade idea was based on a volume cluster created within a trend. This was the volume cluster. This was my short level. As you can see, the price went past it, so this trade ended up as a losing trade. So that's about it, guys. Those were all the trade ideas and trades I wanted to show you in this video. I hope you like them, and I'll see you in some next video. Until then, happy trading.